Welcome to Eating with Health. Today, we're making delicious cinnamon raisin overnight oats, a healthy, naturally sweet breakfast with no...
Looking for a healthy, delicious breakfast with no added sugar? Let's make these creamy cinnamon raisin overnight oats. Start by adding 1 cup of rolled oats into a clean glass mason jar. Next, add Greek yogurt, almond milk, and a spoonful of creamy almond butter. Stir everything together until the mixture becomes smooth, creamy, and well combined. Now add mashed ripe banana, juicy raisins, ground cinnamon, and flaxseed. Seal the jar with a lid and refrigerate it overnight, or for at least 6 hours. The next morning, your oats will be perfectly thick, creamy, and ready to enjoy. Top with fresh banana slices, extra raisins, chopped almonds, and a light sprinkle of cinnamon. Packed with protein, fiber, and natural sweetness, this breakfast keeps you energized throughout the morning.
If you enjoyed this healthy recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Eating with Health for more easy and nutritious meals.